It's like 92 degrees in here. I think it's like 1 or 2 a.m. So freaking hot, man. Both my doors open, but just having a midnight snack real quick. No, did this seriously just break? What does the orange mean? Bro, I've used this like twice. Are you serious right now? There we go. And then these, oh, these things are so good. I'm almost out. Garlic and jalapeno olives, so delicious. And I got these nut thins, or whatever they're called, with hummus. Good snack. Let's give it a try. It's pretty good.